The Tiger King by Kalki. Children, we have already done the lesson. Let's have a quick revision of the chapter. As you all know, the story is a satire on the conceit of those in power. The author has employed the literary device of dramatic irony in the story. You all know what message have we got from the story? The message Kalki hands out in the story, The Tiger King, is pertinently relevant in the modern times when the tiger appears to be on the brink of extinction in the lands of its origin. The story makes a frantic call for the protection of the tigers, indeed all flora and fauna. The death of the Tiger King is a result of nemesis that follows his thoughtless killing. Let's revise the lesson. The king's birth, Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur, how he was born, you remember? That astrologer had predicted that when Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur would become a warrior, heroes of hero, champion of champions, the best of all. But he would die one day and his death would come from tiger. As he was born in the hour of the bull, tiger and bull are enemies, so his death would come from the tiger. King's birth was a miracle. When the astrologers predicted that his death will come from a tiger, the infant, 10-day-old Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur spoke in a squeaky voice. He asked the source of his death, that how will he die? Jang Jang Bahadur grew stronger and taller. He grew like in the English environment and became Maharaja. He began hunting tigers in Pratibandhapuram. In 10 years, he hunted 70 tigers. And then his mission came to a standstill. When 30 more tigers were left to be killed, he had to marry a girl, a princess from a state where had the largest number of tigers. So he married and hunted in father-in-law's kingdom. He killed 99 tigers in all. Finding 100 tigers was great tension. Finally, an old tiger was brought from the People's Park in Madras by Diwan and his wife in a car. They put the tiger in their car and drove it to the forest, and the tiger was left in front of the king. The king shot the tiger. The tiger collapsed on the sound of bullet. The king thought it was dead and it was his triumph. He went home being victorious. But actually, you all know what had happened? He had missed the shot. So shot again by the hunters unknown to the king. Because the hunters knew if the king will come to know that the 100 tiger was not killed, what will happen? Their life would be in danger. So they carried the tiger. So they killed the tiger and carried in procession and buried the tiger, and a tomb was erected there. After that, when 100 tiger was killed, the king was very happy. On his son's 3rd birthday, he gifted him a wooden tiger of raw surface. He was playing with his son, and the tiny silvers of wood pierced the king's left hand as that wooden tiger was, yes, carved by unskillful carpenter. 3 famous surgeons from Madras operated. Operation was successful, but the king died. What an irony! Because they considered operation successful, because their work was over. And finally, the 100th tiger took its revenge upon the king. The king is dead. The king is dead. Long live the king. The king is dead. Last lived. As soon as the Tiger King was born, the chief astrologer predicted that his death would come from a tiger. He must be particularly careful with the 100th tiger. At the age of 20, the Maharaja started out hunt. He was able to kill 99 tigers. There remained just one more tiger to complete his tally. On the 3rd birthday of his son, he brought a wooden tiger for him. While playing with the tiny little wooden tiger, One of the silvers pierced his right hand. Infection flared in his hand and he died soon after. In this way, the 100 tiger took its final revenge on the Tiger King. So let's now discuss the word meanings. Have you all marked the word meaning in your textbook? Yes. Adore, lit place. Bafflement, great surprise. Brandishing, moving in the air. Compelled, forced. Court of wards, a child who is under legal protection. Deliberations, discussions. Drawled, spoke slowly. Enunciated, pronounced. Hasty, in a hurry. Hindsight, understanding that comes after the happening. Incoherent, unable to express clearly. Indomitable, brave and determined. Prophets, those who convey the message of God to men. Quill, pointed part like needle. Savage, wild, shuddering, trembling. Silvers, thick peers of something. Stupefaction, amazement. Transfixed, stunned, tuft, bunch of hair. Now, should we answer a few questions? Yes. Who was Tiger King? Jilani Jang Bahadur as Maharaja of Pratibantapuram is known as Tiger King. What was the great miracle that took place? The miracle took place was the 10-day-old king spoke clearly and firmly in a squeaky voice. Why didn't the hunter tell the king that the tiger was not dead? They feared losing their jobs if Maharaja knew the truth. These are few questions for practice, children. You have done the chapter. We have done the quick revision. Now these are the questions for 2 marks each. How did Tiger King get his name? What was the great miracle that astounded the people? What did the chief astrologer say about the king? What did the Maharaja decide? What did the Maharaja decide after hearing the prediction? Describe the tiger hunt campaign of the Maharaja in his kingdom. How did the 100 tiger survive? Why and where did the king buy the wooden tiger? How did the king hunt himself? Describe the use of dramatic irony in the story. And what impression do you form of the Tiger King? Let's do these questions in the notebook and we'll discuss these answers tomorrow. Thank you.